All right, guys, so we're here using the MLS for all of the realtors out there, or if you're using PropStream, it's pretty much the same. Here's the subject property. Somebody brought me this property. I think it's under a listing, yeah, with a realtor. So it's a 3.3, 2,200, almost an acre of land. So let's see, 3.3, 2,200. So there's not a lot of comps here, but usually like you want to stay within an area and you don't want to really cross freeways or mountains or big avenues. So I'm just gonna zone this area. I'm gonna go in the results here. I'm gonna go to agent line. See, there's not even a lot of comps, so this is kind of easy. The subject property, again, it's 3.3, 2,200 square feet, almost an acre. So this one, it's 3.3. It's active though, so we don't really want to use that. This one is a little smaller. All of these are smaller. And I'm also going to keep in mind when were these closed, okay? So this one 6 months ago closed for, let's see, 412,000. Nowadays, this will maybe close for 450. So I want to keep that in mind. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go here and I'm going to go check all these comps. This one's it's not active. I mean, it's active, so I'm not going to really care about it. I'm going to go to the next one. This is a 2.1, 1,600, half an acre. So this could be about a comp. What about this one? Pending, 120 days. We don't really know if it's going to close for 515. They might be in escrow for way lower, so we don't really want to use that either. 450, way smaller. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this comp right here, 540. Okay, I'm going to click on it. I'm going to see if it's remodel. Looks in pretty good shape on the outside. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Kitchen is done, flooring. Yeah, this has been remodeled. Barn doors, as closet doors. So this has been remodeled. So I'm gonna have the ARV to be 541. Okay, this closed back in August. So conservatively, or property or subject property is still going to be 541 because now it's been about 3 months. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go here. And I'm going to enter my ARV here, which is 540. Okay, and it's going to give me my closing cost, my rehab, my profit return, which is about 15% that we're looking for, wholesale fee, which is going to give us a target offer, an offer, and an MAO. Okay, this is the one that I'm going to go to the seller with. If they don't take it, then I have room to negotiate. And that's how you analyze deals.